watermelons. Yeah. Let's skip. For birthday. Something happening. Just came and oh my god, this city is like really calm. Like I just came back, but I had work from home, so I just completed my meeting here. Then I'm gonna eat something because I'm really hungry. I just had one chia pudding when I'm in train. I'm really like very sleepy right now, but I have to work and let's make something. I don't know, but I'm really craving for Shin ramen, but they don't have it apparently. So let's have something else. What do you think? I have no energy to make anything, so let's just eat some chocos. Chocos? Where did I tell that? Yeah, chocos. No, chocos. No, watermelon. What do you think of watermelon? Watermelon or chocos? Watermelon or chocos? Maybe watermelon. I'm really hungry, so let's cut this watermelon first and then have something. Yeah, I'm really good at cutting watermelons. Yeah. And walk. Eat watermelon and walk. Yeah, let's go. So good. Wow. You need ham, huh?
Bacon.
Bacon, okay. Bacon. 55. One.
This version of Russian
I just slept off like 1 hour. I didn't even know that. I was just working. That's the last thing I remember. I just woke up with a phone call. So I'm making some coffee because it's not like I'm not a coffee person. I'm only matcha person. But I can drink coffee. I can drink matcha. But matcha is my everyday routine. Yeah. Let's make coffee. This café. That's too much. Something happening there. And yeah, finally we didn't go out because I had a lot of work. And now we made biryani. So let's open it. Yummy biryani. Wow. Already smelling so good. birthday evening and I did my work. I just completed my work and I'm going out. I didn't take a leave because I don't feel like taking a leave. I don't know why, but yeah, that's another story. But I got big pimple here, so I got pimple patch. And now I'm going out because I'm gonna get piercing. So I just want to get piercing here and here. So yeah, and get some tattoo done. I don't know, but I'm really thinking of getting one piercing, both sides, and tattoo, maybe some heart tattoo on my birthday. So yeah, that's it. So before that, let me show you my decor. It came pretty well. My friend did it. And before that, let me show you my flowers. Flowers! It's so pretty, right? They're looking so pretty, like I'm really obsessed. My friend gave it to me and I'm really so obsessed with flowers. And let me show you my decor. My friend did it. Okay. So pretty. These are my flowers and it's gonna come here. In the evening, I'm gonna set everything up for my birthday cake. And this is how it looks.
Fait quand elle est petite, se rappelle plus, ça fait mal. Hop. Voilà, c'est bon.
Voilà.
Alors, hop là. Et voilà, c'est fini.
Merci.
De rien.
Done, chicken fried rice. And then, inకొకటి pork. This pork curry, pork Thai curry with rice and with rice. So good. This is pork Thai curry. Hi guys, it's Wednesday morning and I just woke up. It's been 1 hour, I just woke up and then yesterday I slept like at 10 o'clock because I was so tired. No, not so tired, but I didn't have sleep past 2 days. So I just slept and then now I'm going to open my gift for my birthday and this is my decor. I really like that decor. Like I really don't want to take that out, but my friend is moving out and I'm going to go to Paris after this weekend, so I should take it out, but I really want that for these 2 days, so maybe I'll gonna take it out tomorrow. And those are my flowers I got for my birthday, and then let's open this gift because I already got a lot of gifts. I already opened them on my vlogs, like the air fryer from my friend, and then the Michael goes back from my other friend, and this is my other gift. So it says this. It's Ido Japan. My brother gave it to me like it's a matcha cake. Yeah, I really like this bowl. It's a ceramic bowl. I really like this matcha whisker because the one I'm using right now, it was really bad. And then I got new one. I got spoon. I got another spoon. Like I'm getting matcha spoons for matcha whisk holder. So yeah, I got this as my gift for my birthday from my brother. Thank you so much.